Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with another topic in the same chapter, and that is mutualism, which is very important topic as such. So let us start. Now, students, we have already discussed about various kind of population interaction. We have discussed about commensalism, parasitism, predation, competition. Now, this is a kind of even amensalism we have also discussed. Now, mutualism is also a type of population interaction which is said to be one of the best population interaction as such, because here the two participating species, that is species A as well as species B, both benefit each other. तो यहाँ पे दोनों ही बेनिफिट में रहते हैं, इसीलिए सबसे अच्छा इंटरेक्शन जो होता है वो म्यूचुअलिज्म होता है. सो लेट अस हम लोग उसके एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे. आपको पिछले क्लासेस में यानी इवन इन 11th क्लास और इवन बिफोर दैट यू मस्ट बी डूइंग सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ म्यूचुअलिज्म. नाउ एक आध एग्जांपल हम लोग जरा उसके बारे में सोचें. आप सोचने की कोशिश करिए. वेरी स्मॉल, वेरी definite example, or you can say very easy example, is association between algae and fungi. Now that is called as lichens. In that, contributing, if you take the fungi as such, it helps the algae in obtaining phosphorus or other nutrients which is in the soil. It has small thin filaments, very long as such. It can withdraw various nutrients and water, and so it helps the algae partner as such. In return, algae provides some carbohydrate because it can photosynthesize, prepare its own food. So it gives some of the food to the fungal partner as such. So this is a very easy example. Moreover, you know it about this example as such. Now let us talk about certain other example, explore this. Plants, especially you must be knowing about rhizobium, which is present in the root nodules. Now this rhizobium is initially it is present in the soil, but when roots are present, leguminous plants are present, in the roots of this leguminous plants they try to enter it, and they enter inside this plant as such. Moreover, they help in the formation of nodules. Okay, now let us talk about another form of mutualism, the interaction between insects and plants. You know that pollination in many of the species cannot be possible without the help of insect partner. Now this insect helps the plant for pollination or carrying out its life cycle. In return, the plant provides its nectar, a place for living or breeding or you laying its egg. So there is a mutualistic understanding between the two. Now in many fig plants, fig trees, there is a particular wasp which is the only pollinator of that particular fig tree. So there is a constant co-evolution. If suppose there is a change in the fig tree, naturally there will be a change in the insect wasp also. Because without that change, pollination, successful pollination cannot take place. So there is one-to-one interaction between the two. Okay, this is again an example which is given at the last. Mediterranean orchid Ophrys employs sexual deceit in order to get pollination done by species of bee. Now what is the whole thing? Mediterranean, this plant, orchid plant, has one of the petals which has an uncanny resemblance with the female bee, and the male bee pseudo copulates with this petal, understanding it to be a female bee. कहने का मतलब ये है, इस प्लांट का एक जो पेटल है वो फीमेल बी की तरह रिजेंबल करता है, जिसकी वजह से मेल भी इसको फ्लावर का पार्ट ना समझ के फीमेल भी समझता है और इसके साथ स्यूडो कॉपुलेट करता है. While performing pseudocopulation, pollination is done by the bee. यानी कि pseudocopulation के एक्ट में ये pollination कर देता है. So एक तरह का ये sexual deceit है. Now suppose if there is a change in evolution, if there is a change in the color marking or size of the female bee, तब क्या होगा? क्योंकि मेल बी तो फिर जो वो पेटल जो रिजेंबल करता था फीमेल बी की तरह, उसको देखकर ये समझेगा नहीं कि वो फीमेल बी, फिर उसके साथ स्यूडो कॉपुलेट नहीं करेगा, और स्यूडो कॉपुलेट नहीं करेगा तो पॉलिनेशन नहीं होगा. तो क्या होना चाहिए? तो सिमिलर इवोल्यूशन होना चाहिए किसके में? पेटल में भी. जिस तरह का बी में इवोल्यूशन हुआ है उसी तरह का इवोल्यूशन चेंजेस किस में आने चाहिए? पेटल्स में. अगर वो चेंजेस नहीं आएंगे तो पॉलिनेशन नहीं हो पाएगा और स्पीशीज एक्सटिंक्ट कर सकता है. So that is the reason why it is very important. I hope so you like various kind of population interaction which we have discussing in past few days. Thank you. Have a very nice day.